Question 23. A teacher surveyed the students in her Year 8 class to investigate the relationship between the average number of hours of phone use per day and the average number of hours of sleep per day. The results are shown on the scatterplot below. Part A. The data for two new students, Elinta and Barani, are shown in the table below. Plot their results on the scatterplot. The average hours of phone use per day column represent X values and the average hours of sleep per day represent Y values. So the point that corresponds to Elinta has coordinates 4, 8, and the point that corresponds to Barani has coordinates 0, 10.5. Plotting those 2 points on the scatterplot, the point that corresponds to Elinta will be here, so that's coordinates 4, 8, and the point that corresponds to Barani is here, which has coordinates 0, 10.5. Part B. By first fitting the line of best fit by eye on the scatterplot, estimate the average number of hours of sleep per day for a student who uses the phone for an average of 2 hours per day. Draw the line of best fit by eye such that approximately half the points are above and below the line and the distances between the points and the line is minimized. To find the average hours of sleep per day for a student who uses the phone for 2 hours per day, locate 2 on the x-axis, project upwards until you strike the line of best fit, and then project across to the y-axis and read the value that is next to the line. And in this case, for a student who uses the phone for 2 hours per day, it is estimated that that student will get 9 hours of sleep. And the response is written here. So based on the line of best fit, a student who uses the phone for 2 hours is estimated to get 9 hours of sleep per day.